Hi there, this is Jamie Mushaw with Jamie Mushaw Real Estate, and I'm here in Ashley Heights, one of our more upscale established neighborhoods here in Vancouver, Washington. I'm going to take you on a video tour of the neighborhood. Let me know what you think. So here we are, one of the front entrances of Ashley Heights. Ashley Heights is a pretty massive neighborhood located in the northern part of Vancouver, Washington, about 15 minutes east of where I-5 and 205 meet. All of these homes in this neighborhood were constructed around the 1990s. This is a pretty upscale neighborhood in terms of the size of the homes and the size of the lots. A lot of these homes in here are on easily 10,000 plus square foot lots. This is another one of those neighborhoods in Vancouver that had the different builders that built the homes in here. Even though the elevations are different, you may find some homes that the interiors are the same, but you will find some pretty unique homes in here overall. And as you get to the back side of the neighborhood, those homes are newer homes that have been built. But for the most part, a lot of these homes in here were built in the 1990s. You can see that all of the landscaping has matured. You have nice wide streets, which was another feature that you would find in the 1990s. Homes that were built, it just typically was more of the trend around that time when neighborhoods like Ashley Heights were built. A lot of the homes in here are 2,800 square feet or bigger. There's lots of cul-de-sacs. The Ashley Heights neighborhood is connected to some very highly rated schools for the state of Washington, Skyview, Alki, and Chinook, which they happen to be all sitting next to each other. So it makes it convenient as a parent if you are dropping kids off at school. The schools are about 10 minutes from here, and it is about 30 minutes to the Portland airport. I love Ashley Heights just because the peaks of the roofs on almost every house. So it just has a great architectural style. A lot of brick and stone used here, as you can see. But just a very mature, established neighborhood. Prices typically to get into this neighborhood can be anywhere from about $700,000, and depending on where you're located, can go up from there easily to $1.5 million. It's just a different, unique neighborhood, and this is like I said before, a massive neighborhood. There are a lot of homes in Ashley Heights. Head back out here to the main drive, which is Ashley Heights Drive. The one levels in here had to be about 2,500 square feet to be built in here. I think just about every home also has 3-car garages in this neighborhood. So now we're at the back end of Ashley Heights, and these homes that are back in this section are a little bit newer than the section that we just came out of. This is another one of those neighborhoods that I've loved the look and feel. If you had seen my previous video about Westridge Place in Camas, gives that same feel, but this is just on a grander scheme. I mean, this is just such a larger neighborhood than Westridge Places, but very comparable in terms of schools. Like, the area is very sought after. I mean, it just is an amazing neighborhood where you can find just practically any style of home that was custom built during this time frame. I mean, this neighborhood just goes on forever. And then as we come down this hill, off in the distance, you can see a little bit of the Salmon Creek Trail in green space. These are all newer homes back here in this section. Just has a little bit different feel than the original portion of Ashley Heights. Love that house right there. Or work our way back through this other portion of Ashley Heights. Again, this is just an incredibly large neighborhood, so it takes a little bit to drive through here. And then this is essentially the back end of Ashley Heights. So that concludes our neighborhood tour of Ashley Heights in Vancouver, Washington. If you have any questions about Ashley Heights or any other neighborhood in Vancouver, or even Portland, I am licensed in Washington or Oregon. Feel free to reach out to me through text, email, DM, or call, however you'd like to get a hold of me. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. So that concludes our neighborhood tour of Ashley Heights in Vancouver, Washington. If you have any questions about Ashley Heights or any other neighborhood in Vancouver or even Portland, I am licensed in Washington or Oregon. Feel free to reach out to me through text, email, DM, or call, however you'd like to get a hold of me. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.